Insert Arduino and PCA9685 on Humanoid backpack. Organize cable with hot melting glue and cable tie. Let's talk about lining. Before start, define the author ID. Like I'll draw my robot. On left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left arm, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. As you can see on here, I defined my robot's ID like this. So I used two PCA boards. So divided, I'll call this goes leg board, and this goes arm board. So I used two PCA board, and I'll just write PCA and PCA leg and PCA arm, and I'll write author ID. And as you can see in there is pin index 0 to 15, and 0, 1, 2, and it goes 9, 10, and 15, and same on here, 0, 1, 2, 9, 10, 15. So I cut help to from 10 to 11. So cut it, and I'll connect this ID1 motor to PCA index 0 and ID2 motor to ID2 to index 1, and it goes to ID10 to goes index 9, and then I'll do not use this part, and I'll write ID11 goes arm index 0, and 12 goes index 1. So as same as I'll write ID20 to index 9, and I will not use this part. So be careful to check between leg board and arm board, and be careful not to connect the ID 1 to index 1. ID 1 goes index 0. Same as ID 10 do not goes index 10, it goes index 9. So be careful and connect it. Use soldering iron, connect it to change address of I2C connection. Change it from 40 to 41. Use soldering iron to connect PCA 9685. Let's talk about lining. Here is Arduino, and here is PCA, and on here there is like VCC, GND, as data, and as clock. You can just connect this VCC to 5 volt and GND to GND, and you can connect as data for A4, and you can connect as clock on A5. It is like I2C like communication, so it is really simple to connect. So you can connect it, and between two PCA boards, in middle there is pin to power supply your motor, servo motor. Here is V plus and GND, ground, V plus and GND, and you have to connect your line like this. Start with this and ground like this. So as you can see on here, you can I think you can power supply Arduino with your USB cable, but you cannot power supply this PCA boards because it uses a lot of electricity. So you have to supply your electricity from your power supply. So let's connect it.